Welcome to Fast ILA, the UK's leading provider of independent legal advice. You've booked a meeting with one of our lawyers. Before your appointment, this short video will explain the legal and practical implications of a Joint Borrower Sole Proprietor, or JBSP, mortgage. It's important you understand the arrangement you're entering into, particularly if you are the supporting borrower who will not be registered as a legal owner of the property. What is a JBSP mortgage? In a JBSP mortgage, two or more people apply for the mortgage, but only one of them becomes the legal owner of the property. All borrowers are equally responsible for repaying the mortgage in full, but only the sole proprietor, the person on the title deeds, has legal ownership of the property. Who uses this type of mortgage and why? JBSP mortgages are commonly used to help younger buyers, such as adult children, get onto the property ladder. A parent or relative becomes a joint borrower to increase affordability, often because the primary buyer's income alone is not sufficient. However, that supporting borrower does not go on the title, has no legal share in the property, and no right to live there. What are the legal and financial risks? If you are a joint borrower, but not the owner, you are fully liable for the mortgage, exactly as if you were the owner, but without any legal claim to the property. You will be jointly responsible for all mortgage payments and any debt if the property is repossessed. Have no right to any profit if the property is sold. Have no automatic right to recover your contributions. Have no legal entitlement to live in the property. This is a significant financial commitment, and many clients are surprised to learn they are liable for a large loan without owning any part of the property. Let's look at an example together. Emily wanted to buy her first home but couldn't borrow enough on her own. Her mother, Linda, agreed to help by becoming a joint borrower under a JBSP mortgage. The mortgage was approved in both names, but only Emily was registered as the legal owner of the property. 3 years later, Emily ran into financial difficulty and stopped making payments. The lender demanded repayment from both Emily and Linda because they were jointly and severally liable for the full mortgage. Despite having no legal ownership, Linda remained fully liable for the debt and had no right to claim any share of the property or its value. Why is legal advice required? A JBSP mortgage creates a legal obligation for the non-owning borrower without granting them any legal rights. This is why lenders require independent legal advice to ensure you fully understand the risks, your responsibilities, and the potential consequences before proceeding. This advice protects both you and the lender. Please take note of any questions you have. Your Fast ILA lawyer will walk you through everything in detail during your call, ensuring you're making an informed decision.